One below. We are the first people. 1 hour early.
We're literally like the first people here.
1 hour early. Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the free goodie bags me and the human guinea pig managed to get from being the first 100 customers at one below.
No, we need to specify we were the first customers lining up outside the store.
We were the ciders that waited 1 hour before the store opened.
The question is, was I the first or was you the first?
I'm saying I'm gonna be the first. We were literally the first people lining up. And I thought people were gonna push in because I just saw people crowding around near the front. Thankfully, we were still the first 100 and managed to get the goodie bags. Ironically, the one below, apparently it's from the same, is it the same owner that did Power World? That got bankrupt or something? Apparently. Unfortunately, because it was the first 100 people through the till, I kind of pressure bought, but this is still useful. Body foam, which was 99p. Then the human guinea pig pressure bought these drinks for his goodie bag, which was 2 Vimto Vizzy Zero and then a monster drink.
Can't go wrong with that.
Well, I am gonna definitely use these. It's a good pressure buy because it is useful.
I kind of wish I bought that shower gel though instead.
Well, that was your own problem.
The thing is, I didn't see that.
My pressure buy is something that I actually gonna use when the bleeding commences. Okay, pick a goodie bag to see first.
The one with the Pringles.
The Pringles. Okay. So these were actually bought for the goodie bag. So these goodie bags were free. Everything in the goodie bag was free. So in the human guinea pig's goodie bag, which was, oh yeah, in the till they were actually struggling. Some of the till people were struggling and taking a long time. So just slowly seeing the goodie bags go. They're struggling to use the till. So the human guinea pig's goodie bag was Pringles, miniature tub of Pringles. A box of tissues. We all know what he's gonna use them for.
For my nose.
Yeah, your nose. Kinder Chocolat, a colouring painting set. Don't get that. This fruit shoot, a pack of 4. And then lastly is these diamond gems, these cracked diamond gems. What are you gonna do with these? Gonna shove them up your butt or your belly button?
Shove them up your butt?
Yeah. Make a little row of. I'm not gonna mention. Probably not the best idea.
Diamond beads.
No, the edges are too sharp for that. You'll start bleeding. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items in the.
I wonder if it's 6 items per bag.
Maybe. The mystery bag. So in my bag is the same Kinder Chocolat. Is it the same chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah, same chocolate. Okay, batteries are normally quite expensive. Batteries.
I don't think Panasonic ones are that expensive though.
Yeah, batteries normally are like.
Batteries are batteries.
Yeah.
At least it's not the cheap like brand that you don't know. At least Panasonic is a brand that we know.
25% extra free. Well, this is completely free. And actually, I think at some stage I ran out battery out of the clock, so that's actually quite useful.
What would you do with that?
Oh, it's like you can put. Oh, there's a fork in there.
Actually, that's very useful.
Do you know when you do like miniature pineapple bits or some pasta or something?
Definitely pasta.
Oh, that's quite cool. I think it's separate sections, like a lunchbox. Or part of a lunchbox. Is that a knife? That, it looks like a miniature.
No, you put that onto the floor.
Oh, do you know this miniature? Is it scuba diving? There's fin bits that you put on your feet.
Flippers.
Flippers, yeah, that's it.
Pinnacle flippers.
So, ooh, that's quite cool actually. Yeah, it's part of a fork. The next item. Do you hear cats meowing?
It's probably the neighbour's cat.
This shall not be used at the moment. Baby powder. We don't have offspring.
Yet.
Unless you can put it on your ball sack.
Yeah, people do use baby powder for like after the shower.
Do they?
You know, for the feet.
The next is tea tree conditioner. Never heard of this brand, so try it out.
It would have been cool if it was
what did I say national for? Natural peppermint oils and cooling methanol. Oh, this sounds like it'll burn. It'll feel like it'll burn. If it's minty. Nice. It's a decent size.
Is the seal open or? Oh, let's smell it. Smell it.
Oh, I'm not keen on the smell.
Can I smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like tea tree, that's good.
So the next item is this Kit Kat Chunky. Chunky.
Surprised they didn't do a variety pack chocolate.
And another Chunky.
They're the same price in the shop.
Maybe they just grabbed random things like, yo. Actually, when is it out of date? Maybe the soonest out. No, wait, actually, this is out of date in December. And all we had to do was buy one item. Or in your case, you bought 3.
Yeah, technically 2.
Yeah, but buy one, get one free, and then
No, it's 2 for £1.
2 for £1. Yeah, buy one. It technically is like buy one, get one free for these 2. But that's how they get you. And then a roll-on deodorant.
You can use that.
What are you trying to say? That I smell?
Yeah.
So in my goodie bag was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, and then the human guinea pig had 6 items. So out of all of the items combined, which is your favourite item?
What, including your items? Or
Yeah, from everything.
I do like Kit Kats. I do like Pringles.
Okay, so from your own bag, which one do you like the most?
Pringles. Because the fruit juice, I know, it's just meh.
There's 4. So I'm guessing the Kit Kat, if it's just for my items. Which bag do you think is better? Your bag just full of bigger stuff.
I think yours is better.
Why is
yours
that?
is more usable.
Yeah. Batteries! You gonna put this on your hairy pits? Try and guess what my favourite item is from out of everything.
What? Your favourite item?
Yeah, try and guess what's my favourite item. Why the batteries?
Because you can use it for your clock.
That's not my... It's the most useful.
Fine. Your favourite one?
It's not necessarily useful, but I just prefer it the most. No, it's this one. Well, it is quite useful. I just like this one. I like the idea that it's just separated. Please do comment below what's your favourite item in this video, or how long was the longest you waited outside a store before it opened. For a freebie or any other reason. How much value do you think is out of this whole bed?
£7.
Yeah, probably like that. Probably these 2 are probably worth £1 together. And then I think that was 40 something p. Chocolate.